My grandmother, if you're ever sick, you get herb tea.
What part of Jamaica are you from?
Matilda's corner, Ligini.
I was born on Lady Musgrave Road, 33 Lady Musgrave Road,
What parish is that
St.
in?
Andrew.
St.
Trelawney.
Port Antonio. Depends on where, both St. Thomas and Kingston.
Kingston.
Same Kingston.
Port Morant, St. Thomas.
Warren Beer, where the revolution happened, right? Paul Bogle. I remember, so, we're bad,
Kingston.
I'm from Moby.
I'm from Todd's Road, Trinidad.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grant on Reaction, and if you're coming fast through my video, remember to subscribe, like, and also comment. So guys, in today's video we are going to see that we have Chinese who can speak Patois language very fluently and they understand it very good. So guys, let's watch this video till the end, then I'll come back with more reaction.
You say when you grow up Chinese, your skin have a tick, But if you grow up Chinese Jamaican, you can't let nobody tell you what your worth is. That means that nobody can tell me what me worth. But you see, when me go take up myself, go watch Kids Baking Championship and Master Chef Junior, Lord God, one piece of headache. Because what do you mean? What do you mean you're 8 to 11 years old and you know all of this technicality of cooking? You know the words, you know the actual technique, you know to cook, you know how when food is ready without even like tasting it and testing it. Like, yo, if you have a kid like that, big up yourself, because you must be doing something right. But if a kid is naturally talented, like, yo, make sure you do anything and everything you can to feed into that talent. There's something so amazing about kids who are so young and so passionate and already know what they want. Which is so funny when they come on the interviews and they're like, I've been cooking all my life since I was 2. So like 7 years of your life? Like, what do you mean?
Yes, man. Yes, man. Listen, in England, this is how a thing goes. The teacher got me, what will I say? Go on, bro. Thing good? Yeah, man. Everything good, man. Respect.
What you say?
No, man. Talk some more, man. No, man. Don't go in. Talk some more, man.
What you say? What you
Talk
talk?
some more. What your favorite artist?
My favorite artist? No, you want to say, but you know
dancehall artist.
Da Vinci, Chronix, Peter Tosh. You know about Peter Tosh?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. What about popcorn? What about popcorn?
Popcorn. Oh, it's popcorn. Thing
Give me a poppy song. See my poppy song.
Gangster City, man. Come on. You don't know about Gangster City?
Yeah, man. That's the best one, yeah?
Oh, man. I tell you.
Respect and manners.
Come on, man. Let's come on.
Let's come on.
Shiny man, talk again.
Big up.
I got the blood.
I am born.
I am man.
Yeah, man, that's what we're born, man.
You born in Jamaica? So you have the accents lock put on for yourself.
But they're on the right people.
Oh, okay. So you like, don't you?
I'm a place there,
You see? I am born.
Mommy, what you doing? What you do?
Some fish, I cook fish in Chinese style.
No, so why you have newspaper up on the ground?
No, I have to put that when the fish fry, the oil fly out of the pot and what's fine to tell us how I fry the fish out. Because when the window open, the breeze are blow the thing.
Yo, I care about that with the one every day. Hey, watch out. Watch out. What is now? What is?
The Chinese black bean, Chinese bean curd, Chinese pickled ham choy, and that's scallion, ginger, and garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper.
Who the hell put newspaper up on the ground for cook? What?
Uncle Roy, which part of Jamaica are you from? They want to know.
I'm from Maypen, Clarendon.
From Racecourse.
I never go to cook son.
Racecourse, and then there's Ali.
Yeah.
Ali, Racecourse, Milk River.
Kensington.
Dark in Spain, and then there's Banks, then the Rocket Point is off.
Down the point.
Yeah, down the point.
Down there. We used to go and catch crab. Oh, my Lord.
Stop that. J Flock on me, I give the people what they want. And not my fault. Tasha, big up. What you know about. So how you gonna learn that? Alright, repeat after me. Do you want to learn Hakka? Ni, Seong, Hok, Hakka, Wamao. Ni, Seong, my name is so everybody that on the live there, I give me gift and I coulda cuss anybody? Okay. Grow up with the most Chinese at Constant Spring. I never reached Constant Spring, so my parents' money them never did tell. So we did dep on flat land, plains. We did dep on the plains. No Constant Spring. Okay. Bombat. I'm all on there. Alright. We're going to learn ni, you, ni.
How much would it be?
Package them is $2.49.
So you're talking like Chinese, you're Jamaican?
It's a yard man.
A yard man?
Yes, yard man.
Where
Born and brought Jamaica.
Where Jamaica from?
Well, born and Kingston, grew up in Manchester.
Really?
Yeah. We come from Galdeville.
Galdeville?
Yes.
Alright. Clarendon, where come from still?
Alright, sir. What part of Clarendon?
Frankfield.
Frankfield, yeah man. Used to go to with the Wolf of Boys and used to go to school with them from Frankfield.
Yeah, we go to Northern High School.
Yeah. I was at the Carteret.
Okay.
DC.
DC?
Yes.
It's one of my best schools.
Right. Good.
Alright, but look beautiful stuff here.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
What a lucky thing say with the America look green card. Mommy, what would have happened if they send me back to China? We're not dead.
That's all my father then when they wake up themselves. Joe sing good morning.
How here?
And then say Shak Chow is breakfast. Me not know no more Chinese language, period. Anybody want to say me know it? Yes, me know it, but me not talking it. I know what I know. When she got China, she know not much either.
Talk to him again.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, bye.
Chinese Jamaican Pops with his story.
Yeah. I'm glad to take it off, because when me not go race, my car would blow off the color,
Hey, what a wicked man, Hey, how you stay so? You say,
so you're lucky. Me no mind you take off the color, because, me not save you all that money, because
come off anyway.
me not blow it off with my car.
Yes, sir, you used to have sound system back in it.
When my set, yeah. Me make Rastaman down soca,
Back in the day.
Yeah.
First Macintosh I have.
Hey man, Rastaman. You gotta make Rastaman down soca enough when me have to keep down. So me are not ordinary man.
Here's my Jamaican Chinese grandma. We're saying words in Canadian English accent and then in Patois. The first one, mother.
Mother,
What's going on?
where go on?
Yeah, what go on? Quarter, like a quarter.
Oh, quarter.
Yeah. Little.
Little.
No, you don't say it like that.
Little.
You don't say it like that. You say it with a K.
That me?
Yeah, you always say little.
Little.
Okay. Battery.
Battery.
Water.
Water. Me now go down there.
Me not go down there.
Me now, but you say fast. Me now go down there.
Think.
Think. I was tutored by a British lady.
You do sound British sometimes.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Where you going?
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Brother.
Brother. But I know they would say brother.
Dirty.
Dirty. I've lived here longer than I've lived in Jamaica.
Alright, you passed the test. Miss Jamaica.
This was a staple. Jamaican Chinese surnames. Xiang Lu. My auntie speaks fluent Haga. So when I don't know how to say things, I gotta call my aunties, like Auntie Shirley. I always call Auntie Christine. We learn together, y'all.
Did you know the Chinese community in Jamaica started with railroad workers fleeing yellow fever? Here's their story. In the mid-19th century, many Chinese laborers sought better lives in Panama and California. By 1854, groups of Chinese immigrants arrived in Jamaica, initially to work on railroads. Facing diseases like yellow fever, many settled in Jamaica, laying the foundation for a vibrant Chinese community. In the 1860s and 1880s, more Chinese immigrants arrived, driven by opportunities in farming and trade. Despite facing racial slurs and harsh conditions, they thrived. They established grocery stores, introduced items like rice and saltfish into Jamaican cuisine, and formed close-knit communities. By the 20th century, the Chinese had become integral to Jamaica's economic and social fabric. They overcame restrictive immigration laws and significant challenges to make lasting contributions to Jamaican culture. Chinese Jamaicans have made notable contributions in various fields, from business to politics. They have established prominent grocery stores, restaurants, and even banks, influencing the island's economy and culture.
Hope guys you really watched the video till the end, and you got up data and you got more, and you've seen a lot that we have the Chinese who can speak Patois language very fluent and in a correct manner without any distraction. Many of you might guess astonished and as to why in this, how has this happened. Patois language, first of all, this is the language that is being loved by many people all over the world and admired by many people all over the world. So, first of all, this language, it has now started to be taught in schools. So, right now, the Chinese are being taught the Patois language. The Patois language whereby they can easily understand. This has made them speak the Patois language very fluently because Patois language is being taught in schools. Also, in the industry, in the music industry, in music industries, many songs are being sung in Patois language, and these songs, they are being loved by many people all over the world. And for example, the reggae music, the dancehall, this has made many people admire to speak the Patois language. Many of you might get astonished as to why, and this is how. Patois language this is a mixture of language. It's a mixture of Portuguese, the mixture of Spanish, the mixture of French inside, the mixture of Igbo. The Patois language, this is a mixture of languages, and this has now made the Chinese to be easy to speak the Patois language. Also guys, when people are visiting Jamaica, some of them start and admire to live there, and also they start living there for a couple of years. This makes them start and adapting the Patois language. So many Chinese usually visit Jamaica because of their attraction sites, because of their music, because of every good things, because of their food. And this makes a lot of Chinese to come in Jamaica, to visit Jamaica. And when they come there, they stay there for a long moment. So this makes them very easy to start speaking Patois language and understanding the Patois language very fluently. So guys, Patois language is the language that's being loved by these people and many people all over the world. Also guys, when it comes to sports, many people usually see Jamaica in the field of races, the short races and the very fast races. So in these races, many commentators usually comment using the Patois language. This makes the Chinese to start at admiring speaking the Patois language. We've seen that in Japan. In Tokyo, we had some short races whereby many Jamaicans were participating, and they usually emerged the winners and the best. So when they were being interviewed on how they feel to win the races, they usually spoke the Patois language. This made the Chinese commentators to start and loving the Patois language and being loved by people. So my guys, the Patois language, this is the language that is being admired by many people all over the world. So this made the Chinese to love and start speaking and interacting with the Jamaicans so as to speak the fluent Patois language. Also guys, in the field of technology, we've seen that the Chinese have got the best technology. So when speaking to the Jamaicans, to the Caribbean countries, these people, they speak with the Patois language, so as to be understood very well. And this has made the Chinese to start and learn the Patois language and love it, because they interact with the best people from Jamaica very well, and they can speak fluent with the people from Jamaica very well through the Patois language. So guys, the Patois language, this language being loved by many people all over the world, and many people usually admire to speak the Patois language. Not only the Chinese, we got many people who can speak the Patois language. We got the Chinese, we got the whites, we got the Indians who can speak the Patois language very fluently. So the Patois language, this is the language that is being loved by many people all over the world. So guys, and I myself, I admire to come in Jamaica and also to learn the Patois language and to speak the Patois language very fluently. So guys, if you've watched this video, comment and like, also share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next. My name is Granton Reaction. Welcome. Thank you very much guys for watching me. See you next time.